Uh, Srinidhi, you have done those exercise?
Yes, sir.
Everything, all the answers, you got all the answers?
Yes, sir.
I'm
The
sending you
3A I did.
3A, yeah.
Yes,
3,
sir.
3A, no? Okay, I'm just sending you 3B, you give a try for 3B.
Sir, even I did 3A,
Okay, sir.
but I didn't get few answers.
Okay. Sent. No, for others, I'll just start. I'll give you brief about factorization. Vidyut, you have studied, I guess. You have done the revision, class 8 factorization revision. Not answering. Okay. So, I'll straight away start with solving few questions. So you'll have a fair idea how to do it. Exercise. Shindi, can you mute your mic?
Sorry, sir.
So 5a square minus 20ab. Before this, I want to understand what is factorization. Anybody who can answer me? What is factorization? Any one of you, what is factorization?
Factorization is like grouping, like taking out common things.
Common things.
Over here, like we can say,
No, over here, no. Over here, what is factorization?
like finding factors of some number. Like factors are the number which, like if we divide the original number with it, we get the 0.
I didn't
So
get
this,
come again.
so for example, 5 is a factor of 20.
Huh.
If we divide 20 by 5, we'll get 0.
Okay, okay. So we say 20 ka factors are 2 into 5 into 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
So these are the factors. So in factorization, we break it into factors,
Smaller.
and these numbers are multiplied. You cannot say 2 like x plus 4 is a and then plus x plus y. Is it in factorized form? Because it is plus in
Yes,
between.
sir. It is
No,
plus.
sir.
We
No,
cannot.
sir.
If factorization is always multiplication.
Multiple of the things. Okay, so this is factorization. So I'll do this question.
Should we do?
No, I'm doing it. Wait.
No, sir. Like I joined late. That's why.
Why you joined late then? Yesterday also you joined late. Why?
No, sir. Today there was a problem in my account, Zoom account.
Okay. So this is we are supposed to factorize this. So in
Yes, sir.
this we have to
Yeah.
yes Vidyut, you mute your mic here. I'm teaching to everyone now. So what are the common factors? If I see coefficient 5 and 20, what is the common factor between 5 and 20? 5?
5.
We'll write 5. Now in variable a square and a. So what is common? A. Here there is no b, here it is b, so it's not common. So what is left out? A minus 4b. So this is in the form of, this is one factor, this is another factor as multiplied in between. Okay. Second question I'll do. If you have doubt, please let me know. This is just a revision of your 8th. 36a cube b minus 60 a square b c. So one is 36 and 60. What is common in 36 and 60?
12.
10.
12.
Vaibhavi?
No, 12.
12. Okay. So 36 and 60 it is 12. Oh, sorry. 12. Now a cube a square. What is common? A square. In b common. There is no c here, so no c. So 3a minus 5c. Can we write it like this? Any doubt? Okay. Third question. Please ask me if you have doubt, because later on you say I didn't understand, na? So it will be late. And this is again 8th revision only. 5a b plus c minus 7b b plus c. How we have to do this? What is left here? B plus c, b plus c. Okay. So what is common? B plus c and b plus c is common. So we'll take b plus c common. What is left out in this? 5a. Here, what is left out? Minus 7b. So this is factorized form. Next question. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So we are supposed to factorize this. What is common? 2a plus 3b, 2a plus 3b. So we'll take 2a plus 3b common. So what is left out here? Yes, Ritvi, what is left out?
Sir,
Ritvi.
6 minus 8.
6 minus 8. How you got 6?
1 second, sir. Sir, 2a minus 3b is common. Okay, so 6 into 2a plus 3b minus 8.
Okay. So 2a plus 3b, 12a plus 18b minus 8. Correct? So we were taking common and we were getting the answers.
Sir, can we
Wow.
factorize the last one one more time? Like,
Which this question?
no, sir, like 12A, 18B, and minus 8, you can factorize that with 2, right?
Then we'll
2,
factorize it in?
we can factorize all of these terms with 2, right?
Yes, we can factor. Yes, that's good. 2a plus 3b. We can again take a factor. Here, what is the factor? 2. 3 need 2. 2 6a plus 9b minus 4. So we can write it as 2a plus 3b into 6a plus 9b minus 4. Good. Again, one more factor was common. Okay. This is one. This type of factorization is that taking common factors out. Now, second factorization type of factorization is grouping factor. The question will be, fifth question, AB plus BC plus AX plus CX. So here, if I see all four, nothing is common. But when we see, if we'll group it, we'll find some of the thing common. So what is that? If we'll group AB plus AX plus BC plus CX, what is common? A is common. B plus C, B plus X left out. What is common? C is common. B plus X is left out. Now again, B plus X and B plus X is common. So we'll take B plus X common and A plus C. Is it clear? In above, it was, we were supposed to find the factors. It was already given. We are supposed to find the common factor, take it out, and remaining you keep it like this. But here, in all the four terms, nothing was common. But then we see in this term and this term, if we'll group it, we'll get something common. In this term, we'll get something common. And then after that, again, one factor is common between these two terms. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Ayush.
sir, we could group AB
Yes.
and AX.
We
No.
could group
AB and BC also, no?
BC, AX
We could group
plus CX. So, B
B,
plus B plus X. What is left out?
A plus C.
A plus
C.
C. Now,
Okay.
Now nothing.
So we can't.
Okay.
Sir, it is B A
There
plus
should be A plus C.
Just hold on. AB plus BC plus AX plus CX.
sir. In the
A.
first grouping, it is B A plus C.
A plus C. Sorry. So now A plus C, B plus X. Okay. You can factorize it in another form also. B plus X also. We got it. This one we did. This one, and this one we did. Okay. Now x square plus 3x plus x plus 3. So here, what we'll group? We can group this. So x plus 3 plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 1. Or let's see, we'll group it this way: x square plus x plus 3x plus 3, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 3. Answer will remain same, whether this we group this way or this way. Here also answer will remain same. Okay, here also answer is same, here also answer is same. This is just a recap. Hope you are understanding it. Grouping method. Next question, I'll give you 6ab minus b square plus 12ac minus 2bc. Yes, Rohit, tell me how to group it.
First you have to you can group 6AB and 12AC. You can first you can take it as common.
6ab plus 12ac and then these
and
two.
then, yeah.
This is what you're telling. Okay, now
Now we can take 6 as common in the first. Yeah.
okay,
6 and A.
6 and a.
So now you'll get it as B plus 2C.
Okay, now
Now you can take common B
b plus b minus b
minus B.
minus b.
Yeah, B and then plus 2C. Yeah, now, B plus 2C, 6A minus B.
Okay. Yes, Ritvik,
Yes, sir.
you tell me.
So we can rearrange it like a square minus ab plus b minus a. In the first two terms, if we take a as common, a minus b plus a b minus a.
Plus b minus a.
So
Now
to reverse the terms, it will become minus first a bracket a minus b minus a minus b.
Okay, then
If we take a minus b common, bracket a minus 1.
okay.
So can you repeat? I don't understand this.
Which one?
So the previous question.
This one. This,
Other one, next one.
this one.
Yes, sir.
What you have not understood in this?
No, sir, I'm little confused here. Sir, I have taken a square and a common, b and ab common. A minus 1,
A and A. So I am finding little hard after like when I'm taking that.
Vidyut,
A,
tell me what you have done and where you are finding.
yeah, and then I have done like A square minus A plus B minus AB. I've taken common,
Okay.
and then A minus 1 plus
Mhm.
B. After that, I'm having confusion.
Plus B, then what is the confusion?
Plus B bracket A. After that,
You're telling you have written
A
like
minus.
this. You have
So
written
A
like
square
this.
minus A. Yeah. A
Plus
minus
B.
1. A minus 1.
Here A minus 1.
A square minus A only, you know. I've
You
taken
tell
A
me
square minus A common.
what grouping you have done. You tell me first.
A square minus A.
A square minus
B
A.
minus AB.
Then
Plus B
B
minus AB.
minus
Minus
AB.
AB.
Okay, now
So then A minus 1
Hmm.
plus B.
Hmm.
So then I'm having like confusion. What should we write? 1 minus A.
1
Right?
minus A, yes. Then
A.
Then
Then after that I'm having confusion, sir.
why confusion? What is the confusion? You tell me. After this, what you are supposed to do?
Okay, yeah. We are supposed to take minus common outside.
What he has taken here? Common, so that the sign will change. Correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I got it.
Yes. Now next question. Give a try, everyone, and raise your hand if you are done. Everyone give a try and raise your hand once done. Vidyut, mute your mic. Ashita? Ashita, can you hear me? Yes, Vidyut done?
Yes, sir. Not very sure, but I've tried.
Okay. You need to send me your solution on my WhatsApp. I'll just check.
So me?
Yes. No, Vidyat.
Wrong.
X square. X square 1 plus. Yes, Vidyat's wrong. You tried. Hope you remember all the formulas. A square minus B square, and second A plus B whole square, and third A minus B whole square.
Sir, I have sent you, sir. I tried it. I'm not sure if it's correct or not.
That's not correct. Yes, Deepika, you send me on WhatsApp. Yes, Deepika, you are correct. Good. Nidhi, you send me.
Okay.
Sir, I sent my answer, sir. That there are two twos. One two is for like square symbol. I was not able to
Where
put
you have
like
sent? First, my
superscript.
question is where you have sent.
Sir,
Where you have sent your answer.
sir, chat.
Okay, let me see. Just
So that there are two twos. One two stands for square.
X. एक minute, hold on. X plus.
So the first two stand for the square.
Then it is wrong. 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 Tarun.
So is my answer correct?
Yes, your answer is correct. Nidhi, you have done mistake.
I
Let
sent
me
you one more.
solve. Let me
I
solve.
sent you one more, sir.
Acha.
I've sent you one more, sir.
Deepika.
I think I'm little close.
Yes, Deepika will
Yes, sir.
will make you. I mean, make you understand. Yes,
Sir,
Deepika.
I send you an answer.
Sir, I sent you one.
Everyone check now. Deepika is doing. Yes, Deepika, tell me what to do.
Yes, sir. So we should write x plus 1 by x.
Why? Tell me,
So
you are
we
explaining to all the whole
Yes, sir.
class.
We can take x and 1 by x common and write whole
X
square.
and 1 by x common.
Yes, sir. I mean
Yeah.
x plus 1 because x square is common, so we can write x plus 1 by x.
X square is common, so we can take
No, sir. X plus 1 by
x plus 1 by x.
Whole square.
Why this?
So because x we can write it as x square plus 1 by x, so it can be as whole square.
No, Deepika. No.
Can I give an explanation?
No.
For this?
No, Vidyut.
I don't know how to explain it.
You
So
have
can
to
I?
explain it in such a way. You say this is one group and this is another group. So this group is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, which you can write it in the form x plus 1 by x the whole square, because when you will expand it, it will be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. So this
Yes.
goes cancel. It is by x square plus 2, which
Yes.
is equals to this. Now tell me second.
Minus
Minus
2 into
2 into
bracket x plus 1 by x
1 by x.
is
Now
equal to x plus 1 by x bracket into x plus 1 by x minus 2.
yes. Everyone got it? Or anybody has any doubt?
Sir, it's x plus 1 by x square, right? Over here.
That I will not explain with you. This I will not explain. You put your head and tell me whether it will be square or not. And tell me, I want your answer also. You have to figure it out. Or you tell this answer is wrong and prove it that this answer is wrong. Then.
No, sir, I got it. No.
No, you got to explain me how you got it. That I want to understand.
Yes, sir. Sir, x plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x is anyway square.
So?
Yeah, so that's why you are not writing x plus 1 by x square.
Because I have taken common.
Yeah.
You say because you have taken common x plus 1 by x. So only one x plus 1 by x left out.
Yes.
Next question. Let's see the first correct answer. Yes, do it. First correction answer. Ashita?
Sir, I'm done.
Tell me on WhatsApp.
Sir, on WhatsApp?
Yes, on WhatsApp. Yes, on WhatsApp. Good, Deepika. That's the correct answer. No, it's not right answer.
Okay, sir.
Vidyut, you have sent me what? Huh?
I have sent the answer only, not the working out, sir.
It's XYZ.
Huh?
XYZ.
That's what I got.
Vidyut, what you are doing? You send
No,
me
no,
the
no.
working. You send me the working of this. How you got XYZ?
Okay, sorry, sir. Sir, I made a mistake. I made a mistake.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Yes, Deepika, come online. How you did? Tell everyone.
Yes, sir. So, we
Yes.
can write 1 plus x.
Yeah, you don't explain me. You explain everyone the way they will understand properly. You have to explain.
So first we can take common as 1 plus x.
No, you first do the grouping.
Grouping, I directly wrote like that. I don't know how to do.
So how you will take directly? Okay, I'll write it 1 plus x then.
Then plus y
Plus y
plus x plus y bracket.
plus
Xy.
xy.
So y and x plus y whole bracket.
Y and
Xy.
the y. What I have to write it here?
Plus
xy. Okay.
Minus
z
minus zx
zx
minus
minus
yz
yz
minus xyz.
xyz. So why you did this? This is grouping, na? This is what you are doing grouping. That's what I asked you.
Yes.
This is you have grouped. Now tell me.
Okay, now 1 plus x
1 plus x
plus
y
bracket 1 plus x minus z bracket 1 plus x minus yz bracket 1 plus x.
no.
Then again 1 plus x bracket 1 plus y minus z minus yz. Again 1 plus x.
Just hold on a second. Yes, tell me.
Again 1 plus x.
Again?
1 plus x.
1 plus x.
Bracket. 1 plus y. So again 1 plus y bracket, whole bracket.
Okay.
So we have to put another bracket for the whole thing.
Again,
the square bracket before that. Yes.
Okay.
Minus z.
Okay. Minus z.
Bracket. 1 plus y. Is equal to 1 plus x. Bracket 1 plus y. Bracket 1 minus z.
Bracket
1 minus z.
Did you understand? Any problem anywhere? In any step?
Sir.
Yes.
The third step,
This
X
step.
is.
Or this step? This one, third step. Ayush, tell me, you are muted.
Sir, where is X?
In this step you are telling.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Like 1 plus X plus Y should be there. Because
so
in the.
she has taken 1 plus X common. So what is left out? 1. Now in this 1 plus X gone, what is left out? Y. This is gone,
Yes.
what is left out? Minus Z. This is gonna, what is left out? Minus yz.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Okay.
now she has taken curly bracket 1 plus y minus z. She has taken common. What is that? 1 plus y.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now in this two term, she has taken 1 plus y common. What is left out?
Yes,
1
sir.
minus.
Got it.
Achha. Next question. Everyone understood? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I'll go with the next question. 2x minus 3 the whole square minus 8x plus 12 plus.
Sir, that's all?
That's all, yes. Once done, raise your hand. Ayush, send me your Vidyut, Ayush, send me on WhatsApp.
So
Just change it.
3B completed.
Completed
Lots
3B. All,
Yes.
all answers you got. Answers you have not got. No, I'll share you the answer. Please check.
You can send, I'll just verify.
You verify your answers.
I sent in chat.
You send in chat. Okay. Yeah, send Srinidhi. Check it. And you have sent on chat. No?
Sir, I sent it on WhatsApp.
I sent it in chat.
Yeah, Ayush, Navika, your answer is correct. Ayush, your answer is correct. Okay. So, Ayush, tell me.
Sir, I
Tell
sent it.
everyone. Okay, okay. I'll just Ayush first said, so I'll
Sir,
give him chance.
first you need to take 2x minus 3 the whole square minus you need to take 4 common.
Okay.
2x minus 3, and then you need to take again then you need to take 2x minus 3 common, and then you need to take 2x minus 3 minus 4. Then you need to take 2x minus 3 and then 2x minus 7.
That's the correct answer. Now, quick question, easy questions for you all to solve it. This is exercise 3A, which will be your homework. So few questions you can do now only. I'm giving these questions.
Sir, is this homework?
This is classwork.
Oh, okay.
Homework I will send photo. I mean PDF file I'll send. Quickly do it. This finish it off. Shinidhi? Shinidhi,
Yes, sir.
you check your answers?
I'm 31st question. Still 9 more questions to verify.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Do it.
Sir, done.
Done?
Sir, done.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
I finished verifying.
Everything correct?
Sir, except 37th question, in that they are factorized x to the power 4 plus 1
Hmm.
with roots and all, but then I didn't do that.
Let me check.
Plus x to the
You
power.
send me what you have done. I want to see.
Yes, sir. Sir, I sent.
Which question is this?
37th.
8 x to the power 8 minus 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check. Minus 1.
Just I don't know how to factorize x to the power 4 plus 1 further.
Okay. Hmm. I'll tell you. Okay. This 37 question only, right?
Yes, sir.
Rest others, everything correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll send you. I'll explain you this how to do.
Yes, sir.
So your answer, what your answer is x to the power 4 plus 1, how to factorize it, right? This is your query.
Yes.
Okay, I'll tell you how to do this. Okay, so you are done with these two exercises. Next will be factorization of quadratic trinomials. Okay.
Okay,
Which
sir.
I will teach you. Everyone, in fact, together I'll teach you. So you are done with R.S. Agarwal, first chapter, second chapter, everything, and
Yes.
NCERT also?
Yes, sir.
NCRT, everything, solve, unsolved, everything.
Unsolved, I mean, the example questions I have not yet done, only the exercise.
I'll tell you, this will be applicable till class 12th.
Okay, sir.
From class 9th, every word of NCRT, every question of NCRT should be in your mind. And you are supposed to do it.
Okay, sir.
Till class 12th. It's not only 9th. Okay? Always
Okay.
understand this, you have to do. So your work is NCRT, solve, unsolve, everything has to be done.
Okay, sir.
By tomorrow it should be finished, so that factorization third exercise will take it up. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Others, 12 question. By the time you have NCRT sheet in India or not?
Yes, sir, I have.
You have, na? Start doing that, this, whatever is pending. Okay? Others,
Okay.
12 question. All 12 questions
No,
done?
sir. No, sir.
sir, last one.
So just
Okay,
2
okay.
minutes. Last.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Who all have done till 5 questions? Who all have not done? Who all have not done till 5 questions? Any doubt? Okay, no doubt. 6 to 7 questions. 6 to 10th question. Any doubt?
7th.
Achha, 7th.
The 9th.
Sir, ninth one.
7th question. What is common? What is left out? Vidyut,
Yes, sir.
got it?
Yes, sir. I had a doubt whether I was correct till here. No, sir. We can further factorize it, right?
You can have to take 2 common.
Yeah,
That too
two.
you are very particular.
Yeah.
This factorization you are very particular.
No, I got it till here also. I was
Then
just
that is
confused
fine.
whether
Actually,
I'm doing it correct.
why you are confused? You should be confident. After this, though, you are champion.
Yes,
So this question, why you are struggling? 9th question, x plus y is common. Take out x plus y common. Vaibhavi, Ayush, you both asked me this question.
Sir,
Yes,
ninth one, sir, I got the answer, but I'm not sure whether it's right.
I'm sending the answer. You check your answer. This is very, you x plus y you have to take common. So what will be left out?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Ritvik.
We can actually take x plus y common.
Sorry, x plus y common. X plus y common. So what is left out? X plus y, the whole square, minus 3xy. Then you will expand it. You will get 2xy minus 3xy. So what is minus xy will left out? Got it?
Yes, sir, my answer is right.
12 question done.
No, sir. I have 5 more questions left.
5 more questions. You write it down.
I wrote all the questions. I have to get the answers.
Okay, you get the answer. Others, all have done?
The last two.
Sir, we can still simplify ninth question, right?
Just stopped it. I have given hint. I am not done. What I told you, this you have to expand it. Then it will be 2xy and minus 3xy. So minus 3xy will left out.
Yes, sir.
8 minus 4a minus 2a cube plus a to the power 4.
Well done.
Okay. So remaining question, I'm sending it on WhatsApp. Please do it. In fact, I'll try to send whole chapter.
So you have to complete the whole chapter by tomorrow.
If you'll do it, I'll be very happy with this. It has around A, B, C, D, E, F.
Sir, how much should we finish for today, sir?
7 exercise and around around 250 questions.
So no chance by tomorrow, sir.
Can you do it?
No chance.
No chance.
No chance.
Okay.
Sir, you already gave the 18th question.
2A.
Sir, for tomorrow, how much should we finish, sir?
3A exercise, only one exercise. Okay. Okay.
Sir, tomorrow we have class, right?
Tomorrow you have class. Yes, tomorrow is
No,
Friday,
because
right?
no, sir, because tomorrow is May Day. That's why I asked.
May Day is a
Even
labor's
we are
day.
laborers. We are studying so much, sir.
So labor. Acha, okay.
That's it.
Okay. After class you can celebrate May Day. Okay. Okay. I'll just push off, and then 3 exercise you're supposed to complete. Almost you have done 20 questions. Only 14 questions left out. You can do it in half an hour. I know this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.